Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Divisha Agrawal and in today's video we are going to talk about all things related to bridesmaids. Now a couple of years ago मेरी बहन की शादी हुई थी and I was the bridesmaid along with my other sister and there were a few things that we were in charge of and we kind of took care of, and of course we made our share of mistakes but learned a lot of things during the whole process of being a bridesmaid. It's a very responsible person's job, I would say. So the wedding season is here and I'm pretty sure that some of you are definitely going for bridesmaid duties this wedding season. So I thought कि यार सब कुछ एक ही वीडियो में combine करती हूँ, like a guide to becoming like a great bridesmaid to your bride. Make sure that your bride can rely on you completely and enjoy the wedding like hassle free. So let's just get into the video. The first and the most important point of all is organizing everything to the T. Now it might sound very common to some of you, लेकिन weddings में organizing is very underrated I feel like. Especially Indian weddings में इतना सारा सामान होता है bride के पास that they might get confused कि मुझे कब क्या चीज़ चाहिए और कब क्या चीज़ पहनी है और कहाँ like कौन सी चीज़ कहाँ रखी है basically. So it's like very chaotic. So उसके अंदर if we organize everything nicely and properly, then it really makes everything very easy for the bride. At least in our case, our sister, she was like all over the place with respect to her stuff and she did not know like उनका सामान कब कहाँ कैसे जा रहा है. We took care of the entire packing. We ordered like a bunch of organizers, जो बड़े वाले organizers आते हैं, and हमने क्या किया कि हमने outfit pack किया उस organizer में along with the matching jewelry, matching purse, matching footwear, so that you don't have to like search through the entire suitcase to find one thing because it can be very hectic and just like wasting time on the day of wedding or just pre-festivities. So हमारे लिए ये particular चीज़ बहुत ज़्यादा काम में आई and I would suggest everyone to do so because it will really help you save time and save your effort on the day. Secondly, as a bridesmaid, you need to be prepared for all kinds of emergencies, and especially with all these heavy costumes and heavy jewelry and all of those things, fashion emergency कभी भी आ सकते हैं. So you need to have a small pouch which has all your essentials like safety pins, fashion tape, eye patches, band-aids, face sheet mask and stuff like that the bride might need on the day of the wedding or just other functions. So you need to have that kit in place, otherwise everything will just go haywire and last minute पे जब emergency है तब कुछ भी काम का सामान time पे मिलने नहीं वाला है. So I would suggest कि एक specific kit या organizer assign कर दो for all these important stuff, and I'll just put a list somewhere here so that you can refer it while you're packing or something, or just share it with the bride so that they can have it with them. Next up, as a bridesmaid, I'm pretty sure that you have a bunch of responsibilities of just running around and making sure that everything is in place, from guests to food to maybe music and stuff like that. Like you have a bunch of things that you need to do, and for that you have to like run around the venue multiple times. Trust me when I say that, because I was literally all over the place on the day of my sister's wedding. For that you need to have comfortable shoes on, and I know that pretty lehengas and pretty heels, all of that goes together, but I would suggest that like invest in a good pair of glitter shoes or shoes that have a ethnic touch or something like that, something that goes with your outfit for the day, and you will thank me later. Even for Sangeet, I would suggest that wear shoes instead of heels because you can definitely like absolutely dance your heart out, because that's what I did. I wore shoes with my lehenga and I was just unstoppable, doing all my performances to dancing on the DJ to running around and making sure everything is in place. I could do it all thanks to my comfy shoes, and I'll definitely put like a few brands over here that you can check out for the same. Next, you have to make sure that you choose your outfits for the wedding, for all the functions according to the bride. Actually, you are not there to overshadow the bride, and you have to like really take care of that, because I know that we all like to dress up and we all want to look our best, लेकिन ये bride का दिन है and you really don't want to overshadow her. And other than that, I would suggest that choose your outfit colors based on bride के outfit का color क्या होने वाला है, because अगर वो एक दूसरे को compliment करेगा then your pictures will turn out really nice. I'll definitely put like a list of all the brands that I think might be a good fit for a bridesmaid, so do check it out. Different budgets में है, so just pick what suits you. The next point is very important. You have to carry a small organizer. Again, I know I think I'm obsessed with organizers, but एक छोटा organizer लो, उसके अंदर सारे नेसेसरी मेडिकेशंस मेडिसिन्स जो आपके रेगुलर है आपके भी और ब्राइड के भी, वो सारे उसमें रहने चाहिए, प्लस अलॉन्ग विद सम रेगुलर मेडिसिन्स लाइक समथिंग फॉर हेडेक, समथिंग फॉर कोल्ड, समथिंग फॉर बॉडी एक, समथिंग फॉर द स्टमक एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट, जस्ट अ मिक्स ऑफ एवरीथिंग बिकॉज ऑनेस्टली वेडिंग्स कैन बी रियली हेक्टिक एंड आपको नहीं पता कि कब क्या इमरजेंसी आ जाए एंड कब किसको क्या चाहिए. सो इफ़ यू हैव ऑल द मेडिसिन्स necessary medicines in place, then you can definitely offer it to someone else or maybe help yourself or your bride. So that's one thing, and along with that put some like dry snacks with you, like dry fruits, protein bars, or just some bite-sized snacks which is good for you and the bride, because honestly शादियों में खाने के लिए टाइम नहीं मिलता है, स्पेशली अगर आपके किसी क्लोज फ्रेंड की या बहन की शादी हो, बिकॉज इट्स लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ वर्क एंड यू हैव टू बी लाइक एवरीवेयर एट ऑल टाइम्स. एंड ब्राइड को तो बेचारे को नहीं टाइम मिलता है बिकॉज दे हैव टू डू लाइक makeup, hair changes, photos and what not, like all the rituals. So it's very important to keep the energy up by consuming all of these dry snacks. So yeah, that's one tip that you would thank me later for. The next point is an extension of the last one. Now during weddings, especially winter weddings, I would say it's very easy for everyone to get dehydrated, including the bride, the groom and the bridesmaids, because आपके पास इतने सारे काम होते हैं, along with इंजॉय भी करना है, फोटोज़ भी लेनी है, तैयार भी होना है, सबका ख्याल भी रखना है, एवरीथिंग यू नीड टू टेक केयर ऑफ. सो उसके अंदर समटाइम्स यू नो इट्स नॉट ईजी टू स्टे हाइड्रेटेड. एज गर्ल्स आई थिंक हम सबका वाटर इंटेक बहुत ज़्यादा कम होता है समहाउ. आई डोंट नो व्हाई इज दिस अ यूनिवर्सल थिंग. उस सिचुएशन में आई थिंक इट्स कॉन्शियस एफर्ट कि आपको जूसेस पीने हैं, नारियल पानी पियो, फ्रूट्स खाओ, जस्ट हैव सम वाटर एंड कीप योर ब्राइड हाइड्रेटेड एज वेल अलॉन्ग विद द ग्रूम एज वेल. सो लाइक वो बहुत ज़रूरी है, अदरवाइज इट कैन cause more harm than good. So hydration is the key, my friend, and skin तो अच्छी दिखेगी ही if you stay hydrated. Next thing is very special for more reasons than one. You have to have like a surprise dance performance for your bride, because trust me, you know, सारा time सब कुछ वापस आएगा, लेकिन you're not going to relive that particular wedding day multiple times. So it's like now or never. So you have to put in all your work and just plan like a nice surprise for the bride and to make her happy, because it's just very wholesome. And actually हम लोग ने भी ऐसा कुछ किया था plan for our sister, and she had absolutely zero idea हम लोग ने क्या छुप छुप के पूरा डांस परफॉर्मेंस प्रिपेयर किया. एंड हल्दी के दिन when no one was expecting it, हमने बस म्यूजिक प्ले करवाया and we were just on the stage, and her reaction, like it still kind of gives me goosebumps because it was so pure and just pure joy. So I would suggest that you have to have that special performance dedicated to the bride, her favorite songs, your songs basically. I don't know, like just you know plan something nice for her, because she would definitely cherish it for her whole life, and even you would cherish it for your whole life, because यही बातें तो बाद में याद आएगी. Our next one might not be applicable for all the brides out there, but आजकल सब brides को एक bridal entry चाहिए होता है, and which is like the sweetest moment of any wedding, I would say. So ask your bride उनको क्या चाहिए, and just make sure that you take the full responsibility and make sure कि वो पूरा seamlessly execute हो रहा है, because in our case also like we knew what our bride wanted, and we made sure कि सब कुछ time पे हो रहा है, like the music is on time, the whole setup is on time, and everything is just seamless for her. So yeah, it just made everything beautiful because सब कुछ बहुत अच्छे से organize हुआ था. So as a bridesmaid, I would say that take that extra effort, go that extra mile to make sure कि सब कुछ perfect हो रहा है. Lastly, in all this chaos, don't forget to have fun, like dance your heart out, eat your favorite food, click tons of pictures, spend time with people around you, and just, you know, have fun, do what you want to do. Just don't care much about people and stuff like that. थोड़ा responsibility इधर उधर हो भी गया तो चल जाएगा, I think. And you'll regret कि आपने सारा time बस worry करने में या stress करने में बर्बाद कर दिया. You just have to enjoy the wedding. Yeah, that's my take on the whole bridesmaid guide. I hope this video helped you in one way or the other. And to all the brides who are watching this video, don't forget to share it with your bridesmaids so that they can be there for you and just, you know, take care of all the things that I mentioned in this video. And yeah, if you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.